Yes, gang. Hello. How are you? How are you this morning? How are you this afternoon? How are you this night? Whatever the time is, wherever you are, how are you? Sorry about the background noise. Where I stay is near the road and there's a lot of noise, guys. You just have to bear with me. So it's your girl here again, Nancy Auma. I'm back here with a new video, and today's video will be a get to know me video. I want you to know me better, and some of you sent the questions of knowing me better. And the first question, before I go into questions, please subscribe, tap that red button, please. It does a lot. And whenever you watch my videos, guys, please just like it and comment, please. Okay, so the first question was,
what's your name?
My name is Nancy Auma. Yes, and those who know me calls me Mama Ian. By Mama Ian, it means I have got babies, 2 cute kids, and my firstborn is Ian. So that's where the name Mama Ian came from. So the next question,
where do you come from?
Where I come from, it is a small village called Kibigori in Moroni in Kisumu County. Yes, in Kisumu County. Next question is,
when is your birthday?
My birthday is usually on 26th of July. Yes, I always celebrate my birthday on 26th of July, and I'm just about to celebrate my birthday in weeks time, guys. Yeah, so I'm happy because this birthday I'll celebrate it with you guys. And the next question,
what was your favorite school subject?
My favorite school subject back then and still is English language and literature. Yes. And then the next question,
what's your favorite song?
My favorite song is by
Oh my god.
there's this gospel singer called Minister G.U.C. Yeah, and the song is
How do you spend your free time?
my free time. Spend a lot of my free time sleeping, guys. Yes, I am ashamed of myself. I always sleep during my free time. Yes, don't judge me. The next question is,
are you a morning person or a night person?
Morning, night. I'm a morning person, guys. Yes, I'm a morning person. As much as I love sleeping during my free time, I also love waking up early. Yeah. So the next question is,
what's your favorite food or meal?
My favorite meal is ugali and fish. Yes, fish. Tell me you are a Luo without telling me you are a Luo. Yes, I'm from the lakeside, and that's the main dish here. Yes, we love fish. If you are a Luo and you don't love fish, there's something wrong with you somewhere. Yes.
What's your favorite movie or TV show?
My favorite movie or TV show. Currently, my favorite TV show is Real Housewife of Lagos. Yes, I'm currently watching it and I'm loving it.
What's your biggest fear?
Biggest fear is death. Yes, and I know I'm not alone on this. I really fear death. Yes, I know it's a natural thing, but I still fear it, guys. The last question.
What do you do for a living?
What I do for a living? I'm a civil servant, yes, and I'm also an upcoming YouTuber. So please support me by liking my video, commenting, share, and subscribe, guys, to this amazing human being, and so that you can see my future, for you to see my future uploads. And please watch my videos, guys, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for staying here with me, and thank you for your time, and I love you.